Hello everyone, do you know diabetes is one of the most dangerous disease on this universe? Pay attention for this health education on diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic health condition that affects how your body processes blood sugar, glucose, which is a key source of energy for your cells. Normally, the hormone insulin, produced by the pancreas, helps regulate blood sugar by allowing glucose to enter cells. In diabetes, this process is disrupted, leading to high blood sugar levels over time, which can cause various health problems. According to the World Health Organization, about 422 million people worldwide have diabetes, the majority living in low and middle-income countries. And 1.5 million deaths are directly attributed to diabetes each year. Both the number of cases and the prevalence of diabetes have been steadily increasing over the past few decades. There are three main types of diabetes: type 1 diabetes, an autoimmune condition where the body's immune system attacks and destroys insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. People with type 1 diabetes need to take insulin every day. Before we continue, if you happily enjoy the video so far, hit subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification button. Type 2 diabetes, a more common form, where the body either becomes resistant to insulin or doesn't produce enough insulin. It is often associated with lifestyle factors such as obesity, lack of exercise, and poor diet, although genetics also play a role. Gestational diabetes occurs during pregnancy when the body becomes less responsive to insulin. It usually resolves after childbirth but increases the risk of developing type 2 diabetes later. Uncontrolled diabetes can lead to serious complications, including heart disease, kidney failure, nerve damage, and vision problems. Managing diabetes typically involves monitoring blood sugar levels, maintaining a healthy diet, regular exercise, and sometimes medication or insulin therapy. I will still urge you to subscribe to my channel for more health education like this, and thank you for watching. See you for our next episode.